I was 19 when I finally earned my first 1 million. Sabi ko, put angina, milyonaryo, scared face. Sorry sa pagmamura, pero ay untalaga nasabi ko. Hindi naman kasi ako tagapagmana at hindi rin naman mayaman ang family ko kaya nashock ako. Young finally, di na ako mahuhugasing pinggan lagi sa bahay. At hindi na pwede basta-basta utusan na bumili ang mantika at magic sarap. Pero mabilis lang pala yan mobos? Haha. But trust me, no BS, kahit mobos yan, Boston achieve mo na at least once, kaya mong magproducing milyon ng palatulit. Kaya kung ikaw ay nasa 20s anyo norme anak/kamaganak tag mo na sila dal-e. Here are the 13 things you can do today, so you too can start building your millions even in your 20s. 1. Protect your time. Kung di ka kikiligin or magkakapera, wag mo gawin. My mantra, my attention is expensive. 2. Ignore the advice of people who aren't millionaires. 3. Chase the money, or in-demand skills, young sakin, Facebook ads and decom, not passion. 4. Learn personal finance. Budgeting, insurance, stock market, trading. 5. Have your own business. Don't worry about failing. Just launch and learn. 6. Waging ipulad na magtipid kung magastos talaga. Focus on increasing your income instead. 7. Never spend your extra time, extra money, and extra effort sa mga bagay na di mo gusto at di ka gusto. 8. Learn sales and marketing. Pwede ring Facebook ads. 9. Find your tribe, bumarkada ng mga milyonaryo or those aiming to earn their first million. 2. 10. Take care of yourself. Whatever you do now to your body, babalikan ka nyan pag tumanda ka. Have plenty of sleep, healthy meals, exercise at magtoothbrush lagi. 11. Discover your superpower. It often feels like we don't have that power. But usually, we do. 12. Be consistent. May times na mapapagod ka, but you can always go back to your why. 13. Know your worth. At higit sa lahat, wag tamad. Tska na, pag milyonaryo ka na. See you at the top, winking face.